surface areas and values. First question in the exercise 13.1. So the plastic box is 1.5 meters long. Already we have discussed it. Once again, I am explaining to you. So plastic box is 1.9 meters long and 1.25 meters wide and 65 centimeters deep. Is to be made. It is open at top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. Okay, so length and breadth and height is given to you. Length is equals to 1.5 meters and breadth is equals to 1.25 meters and the height is equals to 65 centimeters. Here, main thing you need to observe that all should be in a same units. Units should be same. So you can convert this one as into centimeters. So if you are converting into centimeters, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. This will become 150 centimeters, and breadth is equals to 125 centimeters, and height is equals to 65 centimeters. And it is opened. A box is to be made. It is opened at the top. So whenever it is opened in the top, area if you need to find out. So area of that box is nothing but lateral surface area plus area of the bottom. So lateral surface area is 2h into L plus B, and area of the bottom is LB. Area of the bottom is LB. So these to be added. So first question is asking you to find out the area of the sheet required for making the box. So area sheet required to make the box is equals to lateral surface area of the cuboid plus area of base. So lateral surface area of the cuboid is 2h of L plus B, and area of the base is A into B. So this you have to substitute, and this you are going to get in centimeter square. This you are going to get in centimeter square. And the question is next, cost of the sheet for making it measuring 1 meter square is equals to rupees 20. 1 meter square is equals to. So let us find out here 2 into h is equals to 65 and L plus B is nothing but 150 plus 125 plus L into B is nothing but 150 into 125. So this you are going to get in centimeters square. So this 130 and 275 plus 150 into 125. Multiply and add it. You are going to get the answer in centimeters square. And the next second question is asking you this part, this calculation part I am giving to you. It is an easy task to you. I think you can do it. It's not very difficult. Okay. So next thing is that here second question it is asking that the cost of 1 meter square cost is rupees 20. That means the answer is we are going to get in centimeter square. This answer you are going to get in centimeter square. So centimeter square से meter square में convert करना. So 1 meter square is equals to how many centimeter square? 1 meter square is equals to 10,000. 1 meter square is equals to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. We have 1 meter square is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter. If you take the one square into consideration, this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter. 1 meter, 1 meter. If you are taking, if you convert this one into centimeter, 100 centimeter. Here 100 centimeter. 100 into 100 you are taking. So which is equals to 10,000 centimeters square. So if you divide the answer whatever you are getting here by the 10,000, then you are going to get it into the meter square. And the cost if you need to find out this whatever answer you are getting, that answer to be multiplied by 20. Just multiplication only. That part I am giving to you because it takes some more time and I need conceptual problems to be discussed now. Okay, so second question is given that length and breadth and height of the room are given to you 543. Find the cost of the whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling. Room and ceiling. ये देखो बॉक्स में क्या है? नीचे होता है, बेस होता है. ये भी बॉक्स की जैसा है, बट ऊपर कवरिंग है. पेंटिंग विद दिस रूम. फ्लोर तो पेंट नहीं करेगा, सो सीलिंग पेंट करेगा. सो इधर भी सेकंड प्रॉब्लम में सेम टू h into L plus B plus LB only you have to use it. The third problem, the floor of the rectangular hall is having a perimeter 250 meters. Perimeter is given to you. So this problem is, it is, see here, perimeter is given. So perimeter is nothing but 2 into L plus B. So in the third problem here it is given that given perimeter, that is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter is equals to 250, it is given that 250. 2 into L plus B is the perimeter. And if the cost of the painting the 4 walls of the room, 4 walls at the rate of 10 rupees per meter square, per 1 meter square 10 rupees, like that the total cost is 15,000 rupees is given. Find the height of the wall. So only 4 walls is given. So 4 walls is given and also given whatever it is given that you have to mention in the problem, and also given that cost of solar, and also given that cost of what is given here, painting, cost of painting 4 walls at the rate of 50 rupees per meter square, rupees 10 rupees per meter square is 15,000 rupees. Total cost is 15,000. So then what you can say, total cost is given, cost per meter square is given. Then you can find out the area of the 4 walls. This cost of painting the 4 walls. So area of the 4 walls is nothing but area of the 4 walls is equals to total cost by cost per meter square. Per meter square kitna? So this you are going to get in meter square, because per meter square cost is given. Per centimeter square if it is given, the answer area you are going to get in centimeter square. The total cost is 15,000 rupees by 10 meter square. So 10 0 0 will get 1500 meter square is the area of the 4 walls. So what is the area of the 4 walls formula? Lateral surface area. Area of the 4 walls is nothing but lateral surface area of the cuboid. So lateral surface area of the cuboid formula is what? 2h into L plus B. So here 2 into L plus B is given to you 250. So h into 250 is equals to 1500. So h is equals to 1500 divided by a important problem there. 25 on the 25 6. H is equals to 6 meters. H is equals to 6 meters. Okay?
Sir, what's your point again?
Point into H into. Point is nothing but into. Point नहीं होगा ना. So actually, see here this 2 into L plus B है ना. 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B is 250. 250 into H. 250 है. ये पूरा 250 है. H has this. So ये दोनों का perimeter is given to you 250. So from that you can say that H is equals to what? देखिए थोड़ा मेरे साथ लिखने के लिए ट्राई करो और समझने के लिए अदरवाइज टाइम ओके एंड नोट्स एक ही नोट्स मेंटेन करना माने ये सब क्लास में मुझे नहीं पूरा एक ही नोट्स आज के क्लास में क्या हुआ आपका पहले पूछ लीजिए आप दिखा सकते हैं ये वो आप वो सेट करके इसमें से आपका पेरेंट ये क्लास हुआ है ये देखो एक लक्ष्य भी है जाके क्या करते हैं ओके सो दैट इज ओके ना नेक्स्ट the fourth question is given that paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint the area of the 9.375 meters square एक container how many bricks of the dimensions can be painted out of this container so एक brick का value total surface area you have to find out because brick को paint करना है the total area can be painted is given to you 9.375 meters square and one brick area means area is nothing but total brick को paint करना है total brick so actually this will not paint for the total bricks bricks will be arranged in a one order, then after one side only we will paint, but it is not like that. Brick ko paint karna hai. Situation is given to you. So whenever it is given to you like that, so brick is to be painted is nothing but completely total surface area. So brick is in the form of the cuboid. So total surface area of the cuboid is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So L is given, B is given, H is given, but they are given in centimeters. So the area, your total surface area, you will get in centimeter square. In centimeter square में आ जाएगा. Centimeter square में आने के बाद what to do here? ये मीटर स्क्वायर है ना, तो टोटल एरिया कैन बी पेंटेड. एक्चुअली वो पेंट है ना, वो पेंट इस वॉल पे पेंट कर रहा है. सपोज on this wall if it is painting, so the total area it is going to cover is 9.375 meter square. So this 9.375 meter square to be converted into centimeter square. So centimeter square में convert करना है तो 9.375 into 10,000 centimeter square. 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square. That already I told in the first column. Okay. So now here 10,000 whenever you multiply, you are going to get 93750 centimeters square. This is to be divided by area of the one brick. Brick area you are going to get 2 into LB plus BH plus H. So this formula if you are using area of the one brick area you are going to get in centimeters square. And that area of the one brick if you divide this one by the area of the one brick, how many bricks can be painted, you are going to get it. So that problem you can do it as a homework. So fifth problem, see a cubical box having the each edge 10 centimeters and another cuboidal box and cuboidal box. Cubical box and cuboidal box. So cubical box means cube. Cuboidal box is equal to cuboid. There is a difference between the terminology also. You note down here 12.5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and wide is 10 centimeters and height is 8 centimeters. LBH is given. Which box is having a greater surface area, which is having lower surface area, means a smaller surface area, and by how much? Just areas you have to find out. So what is the total surface area? Sorry, it is asking you to lateral surface area. What is the lateral surface area of the cube? What is the lateral surface area of the cube? Anyone know? Cube का lateral surface area formula क्या है? 4a square. Lateral surface area of the cube is 4a square. Total surface area of the cube is 6a square. Lateral surface area of the cuboid is cuboid. 2h into L plus B. 2h into L plus B is a lateral surface area. But here in this problem, only lateral surface area is to be compared. And total surface area now. So total surface area, but you need to, I am recalling that. Okay. Next. This is fifth question is very simple. Sixth question, a smaller indoor greenhouse is to be made entirely of the glass pans, including the base. Okay. Held together with the tape. It is 30 centimeters long, 25 centimeters long, 25 centimeters height. So what is the area of the glass? A small indoor greenhouse herbarium is to be made entirely of the glass pans, including the base. Herbarium completely it is to be made. So total surface area only, length, breadth, height is given to you. And last question is in this, how much tape is to be needed for the 12 edges? Sum of the 12 edges is nothing but normally whenever you take a cuboid shape में होता है. So ये है like this इसमें इधर एक टेप आएगा, इधर एक टेप आएगा, इधर एक टेप आएगा, इधर एक टेप आएगा, like this everywhere tape. So how many? This is length, this is length, this is length, this is length. So 4 times length plus breadth is nothing but this is breadth, this is breadth, this is breadth, this is breadth. 4 times breadth. And height is nothing but 4 heights will be there. Total 12 edges will be there now. So 4 heights, 4 heights. So 4 into L plus B plus H. The L, B, H are given to you. Simple answer. So that you can do it. Okay. So let us move to the next question. 7th and 8th questions are very important. That questions I will explain to you very clearly. Okay. So seventh question is given that a Shanti sweet stall is placing an order of making a cardboard boxes for making their sweets. Two sizes are to be required. Bigger dimensions. So bigger box. First, let us find out the bigger box. Dimensions. What are the dimensions are given to you? Length is given to you 25 centimeters and breadth is given to you 20 centimeters and height is 25 into 20 into 5 is given to you 5 centimeters. This is to be made. And smaller also given to you, smaller let us write at last. And for all the overlapping, 5% of the total surface area is required. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 per 1000 meter squares. First, let us find out what is the area of the total area of the both the boxes. 250 such boxes is asking you. 250 boxes का total surface area find. One box का first find out करते हैं. One box के box कैसे होते हैं? Sweet box एक box के अंदर ऐसे घुसा देते हैं ना, तो some extra area is required because दो part is there. ये length होता है ना, suppose if it is cuboidal shape में ये है. If you are considering इसके ऊपर ऐसा रख दिया है तो ये पार्ट एक्स्ट्रा है ना, एक्स्ट्रा आ रहा है ना, तो ये एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट के लिए टोटल एरिया में 5% एरिया will be taken into consider. 5% क्वेश्चन में दे दिया, that is given. So that is nothing but what to do here in this situation. First, total surface area of the box. Total surface area of the cuboid. Total surface area find out. Okay. So area of the, what is the question given here? We have to packing this with two sides of the vehicle. Dimensions. Cardboard actually. So only we are going to find out the total surface area, which is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. 2 into LB is nothing but 25 into 20. BH is nothing but 20 into 5. And LH is nothing but 25 into 5. So which is equals to 2 into 25 into 520 plus 5 to 100, 25 is 125, 600, 725, 2 into 725, 725 double means 1450. So we are going to get 1450 centimeters square. The area of the box required, actually क्या ये पूरा नहीं है, अब 5% भी ऐड करना है. Area of the cardboard required for one box. Area of the cardboard required is equals to this total area 1450 plus 5% of the total area. Because extra side में थोड़ा सा ऐड करना है ना, that also to be taken into consider. Okay. So now what you get here, which is equals to 1450 plus 5 into 1450 divided by 100. Isn't it? 0 will get cancelled, 5 on the 5. 145 2 से divide करो. So 1450 plus 72.5. So which is equals to, when you add it, 1 here decimal point 5, 2, 2. This is the one box, and like this you need 250 boxes is needed. 250 boxes. So area of the 250 boxes are area of the cardboard required. You can write area of the area of the cardboard required for 250 boxes is equal to 250 into 1.5. This is a smaller, big box. At the same way, you need to find out the smaller box. So the dimensions are given to you. Length is equals to 15 centimeters, breadth is equals to 12 centimeters, centimeters. So these are the dimensions given to you. Say this is the total surface area. After finding the total surface area is equals to 2 into L plus. We'll take the here ये 250 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया when you multiply by the 250 the decimal भी हट जाएगा isn't it because one decimal point is there after the decimal point here whenever you consider so now here 2 into LV plus VH plus HL so which is equals to 2 into 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 15 into 5 2 into 15 into 12 the part whatever I am giving the multiplication part only I am giving to you. You can do it. Just multiplication part. Concept completely मैं explain कर रहा हूँ. 15 into 12. ये भी multiply करना. What do you get here? 15 into 12. 50 2s are 150 plus 30 180 plus 75. So 2 into 240. 240 है ना yes 240 plus 75 240 60 350 350 630 centimeters square so area of cardboard required for one small box so area of the cardboard required for the small 630 plus 5% of 630 5% of 630. So what do you get here? 630 plus 5 into 630 by 100. So 0 0 we get cancel 500 5 which is equals to 630 plus 63 by 2. 31.5. So this is equals to 661.5 centimeters square. This is area of the one cardboard. So area of the 250 area of the cardboard required for the 250 boxes means 250 से multiply करना तो ये कर सकते हैं ना can you do it so then after what to do here problem complete नहीं हुआ smaller box bigger box and smaller box total area है ना ये total area you have to find दोनों का add करना total area how much cardboard is required you are going to get that you are going to get in centimeters square and it is given that 1000 centimeter square का cost is 4 rupees 1000 centimeter square का cost is 4 rupees so what to do divide by the 1000 you divide it by the 1000 and multiply by the 4 समझ में आया what to do is it okay this area total area you find out whatever it is this total area you find out दोनों का add करना so total cardboard how much required for 250 smaller boxes 250 bigger boxes 250 smaller boxes total cardboard how much required you are going to get problem is lengthy but same concept is this and the cost is given to you for 1000 centimeter square का 4 rupees तो total आने के बाद total add करके उसको 1000 से divide करके 4 से multiply करना है 1000 से divide करके 4 से multiply करना then final cost you are going to get that part I am giving to you to do it समझ में आया ना मैं अभी ये 8th problem explain करने के बाद I will ask you the solution for this तो इसके लिए और थोड़ा स्पेस छोड़ दो ओके अभी कितना ये कितना हुआ है उतना स्पेस हो सकता है ओके सो यू कैन डू इट इट्स नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट ओनली कैलकुलेशन पार्ट ओनली आई एम गिविंग टू यू द कांसेप्ट इज कंप्लीटली एक्सप्लेन्ड Eighth one. The last problem in this exercise. So, Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box like a structure with a tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and top of the car with the front face as a flap which can be rolled up. कार अब रखने के बाद ये फ्रंट फेस को ओपन करके डोर की जैसे ऐसा फ्लैप ऐसा ओपन करके जस्ट यू कैन कंसीडर लाइक दिस इफ यू आर कंसीडरिंग ये है बॉक्स है ये है कार है ये अंदर कार घुस गया उसके बाद ओपन कर अंदर कार घुसने के बाद क्लोज कर ये फ्लिप बोलते हैं नॉर्मली फ्लिप टाइप बोलते हैं ना सो लाइक दिस यू कैन yes this shape normal ये consider like this it is made so for that here is part whatever it is there some part is to be extra part is needed so assuming that the stitching margin as are very small stitching margin होता है ना वो कपड़ा stitch करने के लिए okay it is very small and therefore it is negligible so how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of the height 2.5 meters with the base dimensions as 4 meters and 3 meters. Very simple, nothing is there in this. What to do in this case? Just you have to.
Day before yesterday, I think good number was there. So only 4 are.
Some students are online.
No, online very good. But offline, I found more than 15 children.
Yes.
Same set, not
Same
same.
batch.
You are not interested. He told English and maths सबको मतलब चाहिए. आप नहीं आए तो क्या करें? Only 4 children are there. ठीक, no couples.
So here, what to do in this situation? ये situation में क्या करना है? बोलो. Just here the question is asking you to height is 2.5 meters and with the base dimensions 4 meters and 3 meters is given to you. So what to do in this situation? Nothing is there. ये problem तो simple है. ये question तो बड़ा लेके एक situation आपको देकर रखा है. What to do in this situation? Total surface area you need to find out. You need to find out the total surface area. Total surface area of the cuboid you need to take. What is the total surface area of the cuboid? 2 into LB into PH into LH. Isn't it? No. That is a wrong year. Base है ना कार. So base क्यों करते हैं? Base का जरूरत नहीं है. Base का जरूरत नहीं है. ये क्या एक शेड बना रहा है. शेड में तो नीचे तो कुछ नहीं रखेगा ना. And वो कवर करने के लिए one cloth is required. A tarpaulin is required. When tarpaulin is बोलो तो नहीं पता है. सब मोटा मोटा होता है बारिश से बचने. So whatever it may be. So one cloth is how much is required? It's nothing but first two problems हम लोग कर लिए ना. What is that? एक box making वो open top है. Top is open. Box is. And next bottom ये room है. Room painting वाला problem. उसमें नीचे कुछ नहीं सेम लाइक दिस ओनली दैट दिस प्रॉब्लम सो व्हाट टू डू एरिया फाइंड आउट करने के लिए दिस प्रॉब्लम द लेंथ इज गिवन टू यू एज 4 meters length is given to you as 4 meters breadth is given to you as 3 meters and height is given to you as 2.5 meters so what is question here the surface area of the shelter surface area of shelter is equals to 2h of L plus B plus LB. Isn't it? 2h of L plus B because lateral surface area and top ka area L into B should be taken into consideration. So which is equals to 2 into h is equals to 2.5 and 4 plus 3 and 4 into 2. So which is equals to 5 into 7 plus 12. 35 plus 12. This is equals to 47 meters. Meter में दिया सेंटीमीटर में दिया मीटर में 47 meters. Therefore, this much terpene is required to make the shelter. Actually, in this exercise, only the seventh problem is difficult. Difficult is not. वो तो difficult भी नहीं. In this exercise, whenever you see that question number 3 is something different. Question number 3, because perimeter is given to you and total cost is given to you. Comparison to in this exercise, third problem is different and seventh problem is lengthy. Not different. That is very simple here because 2 boxes are there, 250 boxes are there. 250 से multiply करना है, वो दोनों को add करना है, and the cost is given per 1000 meter square is given to you. Cost is given to you per 1000 meter square. So when it is given to you 1000 meter square per 4 rupees, 1000 से divide करना है, 4 से multiply करना है. So now you complete that seventh problem and tell me the answer. What do you get?